In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create interactive scoreboards in PowerPoint. We're going to build a simple scoreboard that you can control live during a game, quiz, or classroom activity, all from within your PowerPoint slides. By the end, you'll be able to click to add or subtract points and keep everything looking clean and professional. Start by opening PowerPoint and creating a new blank presentation. Delete any default text boxes so you're working with a clean slide. Now, set up the background for your scoreboard. You can keep it simple with a solid color, or go to the Design tab to choose a theme that matches your event or branding. A dark background with bright text usually makes scores easy to read from a distance. Next, add the team or player names. Insert a text box for each team, type their names, and increase the font size so they're clearly visible. Position them where you'd like your scores to appear. For example, left and right sides of the slide if you're tracking two teams. Make sure everything is aligned neatly. You can use the alignment tools under the Arrange menu to keep things tidy. Now we'll add the actual score displays. Insert a new text box under each team name and type 0 as the starting score. Increase the font size so it's bold and readable, and choose a font that's clear and simple. Center the score under the team name. You might also want to give each score a colored rectangle behind it so it stands out. To make the scoreboard interactive, we'll create buttons to change the scores. Insert a shape, like a rectangle or circle, and place it near the first team's score. Type something like +1 inside the shape, and format it with a bright fill color and white text so it looks like a button. Duplicate this shape for 1 and place it nearby. Repeat this for each team. Now it's time to add the interactivity. Select one of the score text boxes, then go to the Insert tab and choose Action. Here, you'll set what happens when you click a button. For fully interactive behavior, you can use triggers with animations. For example, create several text boxes with different score numbers and use entrance and exit animations triggered by clicking the plus or minus buttons. Each click reveals the next number and hides the previous one, making the score appear to change. Finally, switch to slideshow mode and test your buttons. Click the plus and minus controls to see the scores update. Adjust positioning, colors, and fonts until everything is clear and easy to use during a live presentation. Once you're happy, save your file, and your interactive PowerPoint scoreboard is ready to go.